Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily connect your regular AirPods or AirPods Pro to your iPad mini. So, I'm kind of surprised because a lot of people actually use your iPad mini in 2021, and I actually have a lot of respect for you if you still use this device. And to be fair, it is, a small iPad. I actually used the iPad mini 5 for a couple of years. I really like that device. And yeah, so I'm not saying that you're crazy or something, I'm just saying I have a lot of respect for you. So all we're going to do is we just need to go into settings, and once we're in the settings application, we're going to tap on Bluetooth, and we just want to make sure this is turned on, and we just stay on this screen. Next, we're going to get our AirPods or AirPods Pro. We're going to open up the lid just like this, and at the back of your AirPods or AirPods Pro, you're going to see this white button. You can see that right here. And so we're just going to hold down on this white button until we see white blinking. You can see right here. And once the AirPods start blinking, release the white button, and you can see, there we go, our AirPods Pro show up. So we're just going to tap on this, and eventually, there we go. You can see our AirPods or AirPods Pro have been successfully connected to our iPad. So you saw there, the light flashed green, and then we were able to connect. So it seems like you saw there was a little bug, it disconnected and reconnected, but then we are now good to go. So a couple of things you need to know is if we tap on the eye, you're not going to be able to customize like the noise cancelling and all that good stuff. You actually have to use the bud of the AirPod. You just hold that down to go into transparency mode, hold it down again to go into noise cancellation mode, and then hold it down again to go into normal mode. If you have the regular AirPods, you don't need to worry about this, but if you have the AirPods Pro, then you do. And so really, that's all there is to it. And yeah, so hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like. Another thing I recommend you do if you own the iPad mini 1 is you jailbreak it with Cydia. I must say, like, jailbreaking is just incredibly awesome. And so I'll leave my jailbreak tutorial on how to get Cydia on your iPad in the description down below. You can see, yes, this is Cydia on my device. And yeah, so hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye bye.